Reading is important. And when you're busy, adding one more thing to do can feel overwhelming. So why not add reading into the things you are already doing? Now that you have hundreds of books on your phone, reading a story while waiting for a bus, while doing your hair, or having your child read while you cook can add up. Did you know children who read 20 minutes a day are exposed to nearly 2 million words a year? Just 20 minutes of reading with your child each day can make a big difference. When a child learns how to read regularly, they are able to think and reason better. It also brings you and your child closer and creates memories that will last forever. BookSmart has hundreds of free books that you can read in just a few minutes. And to help grow your child's thinking skills, when you read together, ask them questions about what they've read, which you can do anywhere. Together, let's unlock the world of imagination and knowledge through the power of reading. Building bright futures starts with you.